Hi guys, thank you for clicking on my video today. It's been a really long time since I filmed and uploaded a video, but I'm back! To kind of start up my channel again, I'm going to be doing a current skincare routine, so if you want to see how I achieved this glowy look, then you can keep on watching. To start off my skincare routine, I wash my face. I washed my face in the shower today, and I usually do so, but to wash my face, I use the First Aid Beauty facial cleanser. I just use this like handheld little face scrubby thing that I got at Sephora. These work just as great as the more expensive ones, so I recommend this. The next product I use is the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Stick. I usually just warm the product up on the back of my hand first so it glides on my skin smoother. So the next product I use is the Belgian Labs Glow Serum. You can get these from Urban Outfitters or places like Marshall's. I got mine from Marshall's and it was like half off. I just put it places on my face that I would want to highlight. This is definitely one of my biggest tips to achieve glowy skin. Sometimes when I just wear this and no makeup, I get a lot of compliments. So the next step for me is moisturizer. And I usually use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. But I recently just got this H2O Beauty Moisturizer in my Ipsy bag and I've been using it a lot recently. I don't know how to explain the scent of this moisturizer, but it smells so great. Now for the last step, I always use eye cream. One of my favorite eye creams recently has been the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Just massage it under my eyes. It adds like a very glossy look under your eyes to make them look very refreshed and hydrated. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It means a lot. If you liked this video, you can subscribe. I'm going to be posting a lot more. I hope to see you in my next video.